Viral video claiming widespread fraud at Minnesota daycare facilities now impacts every state.
The Department of Health and Human Services will withhold federal funding that supports daycares until states submit new verified documentation. WDRB's Ryan Wooten tells us this freeze on funding could devastate Louisville daycare programs.
Disruption.
What does this mean for us? What does this mean for our center?
That's what owners of child care facilities in Louisville fear is ahead.
I've activated our Defend the Spend system for all ACF child care payments across America. Starting today, we require a justification, receipt, or photo evidence before we make a payment.
Under the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the Administration for Children and Families distributes child care development funds to states. This funding helps low-income families afford child care and funds payroll at daycares. Tuesday, leaders announced that states must now provide receipts or photo evidence to confirm that child care development funds are being used for legitimate child care providers. HHS says they're taking action to verify the proper use of taxpayer funds.
ACF expects every state to uphold the highest standards of oversight, monitoring, and accountability for federal dollars.
The press secretary from HHS says states won't be able to access their match funding for the CCDF program until they provide the requested documentation.
Everyone's kind of in a panic.
Angela Huffman owns Little Hands Academy, operating 3 daycare facilities in Louisville. She says any interruption to funding will hit Louisville families on multiple levels.
What does that mean for your child care facility?
For a lot of centers that have a higher capacity, it could be a matter of closing their doors. It could make wait lists even longer than what they are now. Tuition rates could be increased to try to make up the deficit. Yeah, all of the above.
In addition to disruption, Huffman predicts there will be a lot of confusion.
We have not gotten any direct emails, information that says anything about whether it affects us, when it might affect us.
So you don't even know where you would send these verified documents to?
Not as of now.
In Louisville, Ryan Wooten, WDRB News.